Hey, the Buthmar Stocking Bank Tower Cam folks out there crossing that, what is that, the 9th Street Bridge out there? Hey, anyway, good evening, everyone. Nice to have you with us. And wow, what a day it's been all across our state with some snow and some severe weather as well. And this storm is just amazingly strong for this time of year. This would be much more akin to a day in a strong storm in March or in November, but anyway, certainly not for this time of year, but it does get hot once again as we head towards the mid and latter part of the week. And here you can see the progression of things. You can see a spin in the atmosphere right here. You see this moving to the southeast while this precipitation heading to the north. Strong low pressure at ground level has developed due to an upper level system, due to an upper level trough, and that's something you rarely see around here. In fact, this same sort of system is what causes the big East Coast blizzards that they get in the wintertime. To see this at this time of year, it's pretty amazing. But anyway, on to Big Sky Viper radar, and there you see just some gentle rains across central Montana right now, but still some heavy stuff going on in the northeast part of our state. And this cell right here producing some hail just to the south of Scobie. So just to the southeast of Scobie right now, it's projected to move within the next half hour or so. Probably some half-inch size hail with this one. Most of the hail and the damaging winds are a done deal. However, until 2 a.m., there's still that severe thunderstorm watch. So severe weather is quite possible in the northeastern part of our state, really into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. You see the yellow here, that's indicative of some moderate to heavy rain happening. So again, flooding possible. And again, the possibility for some very strong and damaging winds are possible here until the wee hours tomorrow morning. And as we head a little farther to the west, rain breaking up somewhat. And as we head down from Havre down Highway 87 around Fort Bend and adjacent areas thereof, some ponding on the roadways here as we head on south to Great Falls and Helen, and just some gentle rains here right now. And this rainfall will be off and on right on into, well, probably about mid-morning tomorrow. And it certainly doesn't look like July here. 51 in Great Falls. We've been hovering around that all day. 53 in Helena. Look at Butte. Yikes. 47 degrees and area wind speeds right now. Some local winds, however, across portions of the High Line right now, much stronger than that. And this is the culprit right here. Big trough in the upper levels of the atmosphere. It's on the east side of the trough you really see the action. You've heard me say that before. And also, this is the same scenario again that causes the big, huge East Coast blizzards because low pressure develops at ground level on the east side of the trough and moves north. And this is what's going to happen tomorrow. It's really going to become strong. And as it does so, winds will wrap around this system as it departs into Canada. Strong north to northeast winds for portions of the High Line. So the high wind warning for tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. Also the flood watch for adjacent areas there. By late tomorrow, the system gets out of here. And by later in the week, hallelujah, man, we get into a much more summer type scenario. Yeah, it's going to be kind of hot, but it's better than snow in July like they saw in the Bitterroots last night and this morning. So some gentle rains across central Montana tonight. Cool upper 30s to around 50. Tomorrow 60s to mid 70s. Any rainfall should be done by mid-morning and some sunshine by afternoon. Rocky Mountain front, some rain tonight. Tomorrow chance for some rain up until about noon. And the High Line tonight, still some heavy rainfall going on until the wee hours tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow, still a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. In fact, there will be some showers and thunderstorms. Very windy. Temperatures in the mid-60s to the low 70s in the next 7 days. Boy, once we jump past tomorrow, jump back in the pool, temperatures more akin to late July and early August, 70s tomorrow, but back to the low 90s this weekend. It really does look very good. This looks like all the computer models are in on this forecast. Bringing a big ridge as opposed to that trough that I showed you across much of the western United States, and that means sunshine and summer-like temperatures once we get past tomorrow.
All right, well, that's nice. And good news about this rain, everybody has a pool in the viewing area, right? Puddles in the front yard, wherever it might be. Not necessarily the kind of pool you might be hoping for, but yeah, glass is half full, people.
It's out there on the roadways, too.
Yeah.
Watch out for them.
All right, Chad, thanks so much.
Okay.
All right, folks.